Countering bad breath. Hi y'all. Besides flossing, getting a good night's sleep and drinking enough water, what are some things to keep in mind to get rid of or avoid breath? Thanks and apologies if this was asked already. Edit quick emergency suggestions are welcomed. Thank you so much for the response. Check tonsils for tonsil stones. Replace your toothbrush regularly, too. Go to the dentist every 6 months for cleanings and checks. Tooth infections and cavities can lead to bad breath. The reason I went to the doctor in April was bad breath and ended with 6 filings and a root canal. For the love of God, scrape your tongue. And I'm not talking with a toothbrush where you just mix it all around. Buy a stainless steel tongue scraper and scrape all the crap off every morning when you brush your teeth. Post-nasal drip and sinus infections also cause bad breath. As others have said, clean your tongue. An easy and cheap method rather than get all these official tongue scrapers is to just get some peroxide, wet a brush, and have it on your tongue. A dentist once recommended this and it does a great job. TheraBreath mouthwash is a game changer and definitely worth the price point for a bottle of it. Tongue scraper and mouthwash will do the trick. Avoid sugar. Sugar is not your friend. It sounds like this is a persistent issue for you. If you get heartburn or burp a lot after meals, it may not just be bad breath. You could have acid reflux. I always carry mints, Altoids, or whatever I can get, usually at the supermarket checkout. Eat parsley or anything with a lot of dark greens. Sulfur countering mouthwash and toothpaste. TheraFresh as an example. Some people have more sulfur compounds due to bacteria, and zinc in mouth products can help. Brush your tongue when brushing your teeth. I'm amazed by the amount of people who don't do it. Also, don't hold in your farts. It seriously can cause bad breath. TheraBreath helps. It's a mouth rinse you use after brushing and flossing. Also, using mouth rinses and washes the correct way helps too. Some comes before brushing, others go after. Tongue scraper. A tongue scraper and something sweet. Also a clean toothbrush. Brush your tongue every time you brush your teeth. Befriend someone with worse breath and have them join in every conversation you ever have. That way you are golden by comparison. Though that could make your wedding vows a bit awkward. I know someone who gets terrible breath when regularly consuming artificial sweeteners, specifically in diet soda. It causes some sort of weird chemical reaction in his body and gives him bad breath. Tongue scraper does wonders. Formerly in dental here, scrape your tongue and check for tonsil stones. They smell like the Grim Reaper's butthole. A water pick will change your life if you get stones. You have to play around a bit to figure out the angle, but it definitely reduces the discomfort and gagging associated with removal. I used to use the water spray and suction on numb patients to remove toenail stones as a courtesy during fillings, etc. Get your regular 6-month cleanings too, it does matter. You'd be surprised how many people I could smell had periodontal disease from the lobby who were nose blind to their scent, didn't realize they had a problem. For me, I know I have bad breath whenever my gums are inflamed. Not sure this is the right word, meaning they are not healthy, and I have to use a special toothpaste or gurgle water with salt. For the meantime, just eating every couple of hours works fine. Nasal breathing. If you don't already. When you breathe through your mouth, bacteria doesn't get filtered like in the nose, sticks to the inside of your mouth and produces plenty of bad odors. If you are already using your nose, also check if you do when sleeping. Mouth tape can be good to check. Definitely check for tonsil stones. That's a huge hidden cause of rotten breath. I started using a teeth whitening kit with a light. It wasn't expensive on Amazon. Like $20, and I don't even have morning breath anymore. I have to remind myself to brush in the morning now. Plus my teeth look better. Water pick before bed. Tongue scraping, flossing, TheraBreath. Even oil pulling can help reduce bad breath. Good luck. Get your cavities fixed, or there's no stopping the smell of periodontal disease, microbe. Brush with baking soda. Gargle floss. Make sure to brush closer to the gum line to get food particles out. Swish with coconut oil for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Closest mouthwash. Works every time. These are all great advice, but also start at the source. Don't smoke, don't drink coffee or alcohol, avoid garlic and onions. What goes in either comes back out or hangs around. Fix cavities, brush tongue. Floss, remove tonsil stones, brush your teeth. Sip water if you have dry mouth. Heavy emphasis on flossing to prevent gum disease and cavity formation. Brush your tongue too. It's amazing how much flavor remains there even hours after you've eaten. Avoid eating dairy, like yogurt or cheese, without something to refresh your mouth after, e.g. gum, mint, citrus fruit. I had a friend offer me mint after I ate yogurt next to her. I said I was good. She then told me my breath smelled after eating yogurt. I thanked her and immediately took the mint. Forever grateful, because not many people will tell you that. Get a Waterpik water flosser and use it twice a day after wake up and before bed. Alright, so no links but tongue scrubber. The Oral-B one. It's a game changer. Also TheraBreath mouthwash. Rinse for at least 30 seconds then wait to wash with water. Edited to say, a lot of good advice here. It helps to floss brush after each meal or sugary snack. Also, electric toothbrush is a game changer. My teeth are not just cleaner but noticeably whiter. Can't believe so few people have commented, but it should go without saying that you have to floss once a day. I would guess that a shocking amount of people literally never floss, and I'd also guess not flossing is likely the most common cause of bad breath. Yogurt. Have yogurt for breakfast or lunch. Studies have shown it reduces bad breath and cavities in rats. Apples. Bring an apple to work. It naturally cleans your teeth. Gum. Pack of gum water. Water will help clean your mouth. Drink lots. Finish your dinner 3 hours before you lie down. Drink water before your meal, not after. It can slow down your digestion by messing with your acid levels. Tongue scraping. You can use a blunt butter knife or a spoon. When I get bad breath, it means I probably have a sinus infection, since this is the only symptom I have when I get one. So check sinuses, tonsils, and brush your tongue. Scrub your tongue. A sinus drip can also cause bad breath. Clear that up. I had a friend with really bad breath. I swear it was because she hadn't eaten anything in hours and hours. So, eat regularly. Don't forget to brush the roof of your mouth and tongue. Gargle. Gargle often. Plain water is best, but a shot of hydrogen peroxide in there is extra helpful, or also warm water with honey is nice too and adds the healing antimicrobial benefits. Check out tablets that contain Lactobacillus salivarius on Amazon. They come in mint type form or capsule form. It's a probiotic that focuses on the mouth, ear and throat. It used to be in toothpastes but not any longer. Helps bad breath and tonsil stones plus plaque etc. Aside from mouth oral care, do you have stomach issues? Like heartburn, gas, etc.? Bad breath even with good hygiene could be a GI issue. Comes to mind. I had it as a child, and bad breath was the first and most noticeable symptom that came before the abdominal discomfort. Other issues like GERD, Crohn's, or upper GI IBS can also all be culprits. Get a tongue scraper. Also, dry mouth from medications can be the culprit. Neti pot if you have drainage. Oil pulling with cold pressed coconut oil. Real talk. Apart from the regular brush and floss after every meal for weeks whenever possible, gargle warm salt water and chew gum after brushing. Get your teeth cleaned every 6 months and check for tooth rot and decay or ulcers. You need to see your dentist. If there's a cavity somewhere, no amount of flossing, brushing and gargling will help.